I wasn't believing, oh wow. I can't wait to head out and talk to individuals in social environments, due to the fact that when I did head out to social environments, I would not that feel that great about myself. I would be questioning myself around the cool crowd, stressing over what everybody else was thinking, wondering if I was fitting in and questioning that girls would me. I do not wish to interact socially all the time, every day, since I'm a thinker and like to have more of a balance in my life. The big difference in between how I was previously and how I am now is that when I am in a social environment, I am confident and really do delight in socializing with people. When it comes to women, most females feel extreme tourist attraction for me and wish they could be my sweetheart or a minimum of be sexed by me. When I am not in a social environment, I seldom need it or crave it like an extrovert does. Instead, I have more of a balanced life with my work, the modern male, my sweetheart, my good friends, household, workout, time to relax and think, and other crucial parts of my life. Nowadays, I would be thought about more of an extrovert by most individuals who satisfy me, because many people aren't as confident as me, but the fact is that I'm neither an introvert or extrovert. I prefer to have a balance of both sides of that state of being. I do not require to be alone and I don't need to be around people. I just do whatever I desire, day in, day out, due to the fact that I have the self-confidence and emotional security to be delighted, forward-moving and driven in either situation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.